It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. I salute the divinity in you. Greetings. Question: what does one need to have done to be prepared for arriving at the cruise terminal and embarkation day? With your exciting cruise adventure just days away, let's make sure you are fully prepared for a fantastic experience. Please review the following checklist to ensure you have everything needed for a smooth and enjoyable trip. 1. Travel documentation. Passport. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your return date, or birth certificate and Real ID. If you do not have a passport, bring your original birth certificate along with a Real ID compliant driver's license. Visas, if applicable, check if any destinations on your itinerary require visas based on your nationality. 2. Cruise line. Check in. Online check-in. Complete online check-in and print out your boarding pass. This must be done no later than 72 hours before your departure. 3. Travel insurance. Insurance, highly recommended to protect your trip investment. Without insurance, refunds may not be possible. Health insurance. Verify if your policy covers overseas medical expenses. 4. Financial preparations. Emergency funds. Ensure you have access to additional funds for emergencies, including potential early return flights. Notify your bank. To avoid any issues with your cards while traveling, notify your bank of travel dates and destinations. 5. Packing. Luggage. Confirm the cruise line's luggage allowance and pack accordingly. Medications. Bring sufficient prescription medication for the entire trip, plus a few extra days' supply. Appropriate clothing. Check the weather forecast and pack suitable clothing, including formal wear if required by the cruise line. 6. Health and safety. Vaccinations. Ensure all required vaccinations are up to date according to your destinations. COVID-19 requirements. Check the latest COVID-19 travel requirements and restrictions for your cruise. Miscellaneous. Mobile service. Consider international plans or SIM cards for seamless communication. Itinerary and contacts. Print a copy of your itinerary and emergency contact numbers. Please ensure that everything on this list is checked off before you head out to the cruise terminal. Cheers to a wonderful and memorable adventure. Warm regards, Fly for 44.